everyone, how are you? Today in history we learn about the famous personality Julius Caesar. Okay, we're going to see that quick fact, short biography, kidnapped by the pirates, and the golden age of the Roman Empire. Octavian Augustus. Coming to the quick fact, full name Gnaeus Julius Caesar. Occupation dictator and journal. Birth date July 12, 102 BC and death date March 15, 44 BC. Okay, now Julius Caesar is one of the most famous people in the Rome. His family belonged to the military army and he also joined the army. Julius Caesar also continued his career with the educate. He traveled for the study for the philosophy and he is a member of the Senate also. Now what happened afterward? That time period, I will going to show a little story about the Julius Caesar. In the first century BC, the government in the Roman began to lose the control as the war caused unrest and unemployment. There were the power struggle in the Senate, and law and order began to break down. These problems made the people feel that they want a strong leader. So, that time period, soon civil war broke out. Julius Caesar was victorious and returned to Rome as the ruler of the Republic. For 5 years, he was the ruler of the Roman Republic. Soon, a brilliant general called Julius Caesar gained the power. In 59 BC, he was given the complete power for life. Only people like Julius Caesar because he passed a law to help them and gave them the food, entertainment to keep them happy. This thing made the senators was very afraid and jealous. The Senate was afraid of his power and you can say the popularity. So that's why they plotted against him a plan. In 44 BC, Julius Caesar was killed in the Senate house. He was called by the people of the Senate where he was killed. Now, that time period, what happened that time period? The middle and the lower become the angry, and he had been killed by the small number of the the Senate people. Now they attack on the funerals and the homes of the Bears and the Cassius. On 1st January 42 BC, Caesar became the first historical Roman to be defended, began granted the title the Divine Julius. Even the that the name of the July according to in the honor of the Julius Caesar. Already we discussed about that there is the plan for that they kidnapped by the pirates, and what happened that time he was free for some time period, but again they make us another plan to call him in the Senate house and where he was killed. After the death of the Julius Caesar, the Senate regained the power, but Julius Caesar's adopted son Octavian struggled for the 70 years to regain the death of the Julius Caesar. Revenged for the death of the Julius Caesar during the time he defeated the Cleopatra, the queen of Egypt, and Egypt became the part of Roman world. Now, Octavian, the adopted son of Julius Caesar, became the first ruler of the Roman Empire in 27 BC. He given a new reign named the Caesar Augustus. He ruled for 45 years. Although he was also very careful, showed respect to the Senate and act as an empire. People began to worship him as a god. Now the Republic was over. The age of the Roman Empire had begun. This time period is called the Golden Age time period also. Now, Julius Caesar's adopted son, Octavian, eventually took over Rome and finally brought the peace. He was renamed, already we discussed about that, he was given a rename Augustus. Augustus was the effective emperor and his period called the Pax Romana, where the majority of races, languages, religion, tradition lived together in peace. People without any fear, they live with each other. This time period was called a new period, imperial period, or the golden age time period. Now let's look at here. I want to give you a short review about the emperor of the Augustus. Where did he live? When did he live? The 63 BC to 14 AD. Where did he live? Rome. What did he do? As a leader, he made many improvements in the city. He created a fire department and police force. He built the different type of the buildings. He rebuilt for the water supply properly, and the main thing, the roads network. A Roman first emperor Augustus is the one of the most significant figure in the Roman history. But he also known as the Great Momentum. He built all around Rome. He built a new forum to hold the statues. He changed the picture of the Rome. He gave a new picture to the modern world, the Roman Empire. In his words, what he said, I found the Rome a city of bricks and left it a city of a marble. There is a short review about that. What he built. Roads were built connecting each and every corner of the empire, so it's easy to everyone to travel, or reach each other the other places. New government buildings were built, libraries, temples. Agriculture became the most important industry is 90%, basic for the supporting the huge empire. Creating a fire department, a police force to protect the people. Even he gave excellent examples of the engineering, where he going to build the aqueducts, where supply of the waters. The kid far away the water supply provided to the Rome. He built a new forum that held the statues momentum and a great temple to the god Mars. He changed already discussed the show I explained that he changed the picture of the world of the Roman Empire and show the new modern world a new picture of the Rome. Okay, now there's a question for you. Why do you think so many Romans admire the Augustus? You can write in the comments. I wait for your comments. Why do you think so many Romans admire the Augustus? Okay, do not forget click the subscribe button and hit the bell icon. Thank you.